Hi everyone, today we're gonna make fajita. It's a chicken fajita. You can make the same recipe for beef. So I just wanna show you how I cut the chicken. It's a chicken breast. I cut it like strips like this, thin and long, okay? And then the spices here, we have 1 teaspoon of salt. I use Himalayan salt. This is half teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and half teaspoon of coriander. And this is 6 cloves of garlic. Here I'm gonna smash them. And we have 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. I use avocado oil, and 1 tablespoon of lime juice, okay? And now we're just gonna smash the garlic and mix everything together, okay? So here I smash the garlic. So I smash the garlic here. So I'm gonna put the garlic. And I'm gonna put here is the oil, the lime juice. Then this is the salt, black pepper and paprika. And this is the cumin and coriander, okay? So now this, I mix them all together very well, okay? So like for a minute or so, you wanna make sure all the spices are mixed together, okay? So now I'm just gonna cover it and keep it in the fridge, okay? Now to make the fajita, so this is the chicken that we marinated last night, and we're gonna need 1 large onion and 1 large bell pepper, any color, or you can have like half of each color. And this is like fresh cilantro for garnish. And this is also avocado oil. Also, we'll add some salt and black pepper to the onion and pepper when we cook them. Also, you need 1 lime, but I'm gonna put Pico De Gallo on it, so it already has a lime, so I'm not gonna use a lime, okay? And here is a Pico De Gallo that I made earlier. I made this recipe before, and I will put the link for you for the recipe in the description box. So here we go. I cut 1 onion and 1 bell pepper. On a skillet on the stove, I added 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, and I put the heat on high. And when it's hot, I added the chicken piece by piece. You want to make sure you don't want to crowd the pan with the chicken, and you keep it on one side for about 2 to 3 minutes till it gets golden in color in the bottom side of the chicken, and then you flip it over. So you look like this, you flip it. And you let it cook on the other side for about 2 minutes. Then you mix all the chicken together to make sure all the sides had been cooked. And you do that for 1 minute only. Then you remove the chicken on a plate and keep it on the side. Now I like to put the onion first and cook them before the pepper. And then I stir them, and it needs a little bit more oil. So I added about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. So now I'm gonna add the bell pepper. Now, if you cut the onions and the bell pepper the same size, they're supposed to cook at the same time. But it depends how you like them. You can put them the same time. But I like my onion to be more wilted than my peppers. So now, just at the end, I'm gonna add half teaspoon of Himalayan salt. And some black pepper. Then I'm gonna add the chicken. Now, I still have this much chicken. I didn't cook it. I will cook it later, but Michelle is hungry. I wanna make, she has to go. So here is our fajita. My mom like also to cut trenches of tomato, like one tomato on top at the end, and we'll add some more cumin. I would usually do that, but because I did the pico de gallo, I don't need to do that. And that's it. It's done. I'm gonna garnish it with some cilantro. And that's it.